Hello everyone, welcome back to NPC, and today I would like to say Namaskaram because Namaskaram is a word which is used in Kerala to greet people, and this PC is also belongs to Kerala. We are about to ship this PC build in Ernakulam, Kerala. So definitely this is a completely white theme PC build. We used almost white component in this build, and we are also talk about the specification and pricing of this build. So let's start and stay with us till the end. So this PC build is powered by Intel i7-14700K, which comes with 20 cores and 28 threads, and we used MSI Z790 motherboards, dual 16GB cores and Vengeance, 6000 MHz DDR5 RAM, and the GPU is NVIDIA RTX 5070 12GB VRAM. And this white AIO which is enhancing the look of this build is Corsair Nautilus 360, and the PSU is Deepcool 750 watt, and the case is NZXT H7 Flow. So the price of this build is 1,95,000 rupees only, and you know what? Your dream PC is just a click away. Whether you are looking a PC for yourself or for your organization, simply visit our website www.ant-pc.com. You can also DM us on our social media handles. You can also talk to our sales executive. We are more than happy to assist you guys. Thank you so much.